주인공의 여팅 게장 순댓국 하나이즈링 삼계탕 게장
Mix it around, get chocolate, vanilla, cookies and cream when we lock together. Yeah, ain't what it seems, cause to us it's better. Yeah, changing the genome, taint the bloodline with all of the niños. Your skin like sea foam, I'm more like khaki chinos. Pour a little milk in my cappuccino. Now I roll myself into a hole with that one.
Oh, here. Now, just swipe it over to 90. Charge to 90. We are currently at 55%. We want to get to 90%. It's going to take 35 minutes. 여러분, 그래서 저희가 이제 지금 충전하고 있는 충전 기계는 1kW에 0.75파운드예요. 충전 가격이. 근데 이제 저희 차가 배터리가 58kW 배터리거든요. 그 뜻은 지금 배터리가 0%면 0%에서 100%까지 찰징을 하려면 그럼 여기 충전소가 0.75파운드다. 그럼 0.75파운드 곱하기 58 하면은 풀 충전할 때까지의 가격이 나옵니다. 지금 충전하고 있는 곳이 그 앱에서 보면은 50kW까지 충전할 수 있다고 나왔는데 사실상으로 여기 와서 지금 충전하고 있는데 한 40에서 42 왔다 갔다 하고 있습니다. 저희 차가 58kW 차니까 만약에 저희가 거의 배터리가 남지 않은 상태에서 여기를 왔다면 충전을 58까지 하는데 거의 1시간 조금 넘게 걸리겠네요. 하여튼 여러분 대충 전기차가 그렇게 굴러간다고 보시면 됩니다. 저도 뭐 잘 아는 건 아니지만요. 기다리고 있습니다. 애나랑 발리랑. 금요일날 퇴근하고 와가지고 이렇게 어둡습니다. 그리고 내일 저희는 차를 갖고 저기 바닷가로 놀러 갈 거거든요. 그래가지고 저희가 금요일날 퇴근하고 이렇게 차를 미리 충전하러 왔습니다. 찰징 끝!
There's a light down here.
Oh, what is that?
It's the here,
Why is it doing that?
so you can see.
But what is it for?
Yeah, it's from here. Oh, I need a second.
Let me look. So now it's at 89%. 이제 229마일 주행 가능합니다. 발리야 신나지?
Sunshine and rainbows. I've been feeling good, yeah, you know that it's true. Yeah, that'll work. Sunshine and rainbows. I've been feeling good, yeah, you know that it's true. You say that you love me, baby, what you tryna do? We could see the world every day, me and you. Sunshine and rainbows. I've been feeling good, yeah, you know that it's true. You say that you love me, baby, what you tryna do? Every day is sunshine and rainbows. I've been looking good, trying to hit the mangoes. Take a trip out to the beach, just see where the day goes. Put a smile on my face, yeah, I feel it. Lost in the sauce like I made a couple millions. Broke with an attitude, girl, you acting basic. If I told you that I love you, then you need not just a trip. Different than your average, I'm not here to hit and quit. You a queen if you hang around. Real love, let a youngin' come and hold you down. If I make it, then the team wins, that's including you. Work so hard, I'm graduating honors in the booth. They can't touch me cause they never see it through. Sunshine and rainbows, I've been feeling good, yeah, you know that it's true. You said that you love me, baby, what you tryna do? We could see the world every day, me and you. Sunshine and rainbows, I've been feeling good, yeah, you know that it's true. You said that you love me, baby, what you tryna do? Yeah, hold me close, let your spirit catch a youngin' like the Holy Ghost. I got so much on my plate and I just doubled up. That's what it takes if you gon' really do the most. Be a star, now you shining on your ex, running numbers. Yeah, I'm stunting, watch me flex, that's just the way it goes. They don't wanna see you broken in the trenches, out here working on your image, sharing love with all your peeps. Wow, I ain't really with it. Everyone's invited to my cookout. You and yours, and even Uncle Greg that got a hidden bottle in his shorts. Yeah, he gone up off the hand, but he found, and nothing breaks a bond you always had. Sunshine and rainbows, I've been feeling good, yeah, you know that it's true. You said that you love me, baby, what you tryna do? We could see the world every day, me and you. Hey, sunshine and rainbows, I've been feeling good, yeah, you know that it's true. You say that you love me, baby, what you tryna do? We could see the world every day, me and you. Sunshine and rainbows, I've been feeling good, yeah, I've been feeling so good. I've been feeling good, hey, I've been feeling so good. I've been feeling good, yeah.